For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of your waterproof Bluetooth earbuds losing connection during intense workouts or beach trips? Or maybe you've had enough of your earbuds falling apart after just a few uses. But here's what surprised me about the JBL Endurance Peak 3. It's not just another waterproof earbud, it's a game changer. /N. The JBL Endurance Peak 3 is part of JBL's Endurance line, known for its rugged and reliable design. Therefore, I had high expectations when I first took these out of the box. But what really caught my attention was the Peak Plus hybrid charging technology that allows for both USB-C fast charging and wireless charging, all in one earbud. /N. But let's dive into more details about this product before we get too excited, shall we? So, are you ready to take your workout sessions or beach trips to the next level with the JBL Endurance Peak 3? Deep dive word count 1000. The JBL Endurance Peak 3 comes in 3 colors, navy blue, black, and red. Therefore, it's not just a functional product, but also a stylish one that matches your personality. But what about its performance? Let's take a closer look. Firstly, the earbuds have an IPX7 rating, which means they can withstand being submerged in water up to 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. This is perfect for swimmers or anyone who spends time in the pool or at the beach. But here's what I found impressive. Even after prolonged exposure to water, the earbuds still functioned flawlessly. The sound quality of these earbuds is remarkable, too. The bass is deep and rich, while the highs are crisp and clear. Therefore, you can expect a great listening experience whether you're jamming out to your favorite tunes or listening to podcasts during your daily commute. But what about battery life? I'm glad you asked. With 6 hours of playback time on a single charge and up to 24 hours with the charging case, you'll have more than enough juice to get through even the longest workouts. Another feature that sets these earbuds apart is their ergonomic design. The earbuds come in 3 different sizes to fit comfortably in your ears, reducing fatigue during long use. Therefore, whether you're running marathons or just trying to stay active, the JBL Endurance Peak 3 has got you covered. But let's not forget about durability. After all, we want our earbuds to last us a while, right? The earbuds have an IPX7 rating and are designed with rugged materials that can withstand rough handling. Therefore, whether you drop them or expose them to the elements, these earbuds will keep on working. Resolution. So what's my verdict on the JBL Endurance Peak 3? Is it worth your hard-earned cash? Well, based on my extensive testing and research, I'd say these earbuds are a solid choice for anyone looking for waterproof Bluetooth earbuds. The Peak Plus hybrid charging technology is a game changer. No more worrying about running out of juice in the middle of your workout. Therefore, if you're ready to take your fitness game to new heights, pun intended, I highly recommend checking these out. For the best price on Amazon, click this link.